Booling is a high-tech enterprise engaged in precision mold design and manufacturing. It has reliable manufacturing equipment, professional design and technical personnel, mature process production lines, comprehensive after-sales service, stable supply chain, and unique core technology. It can efficiently provide customers with one-stop services in all aspects such as technical routes, design schemes, procurement, installation, and debugging. The company is committed to providing professional design, manufacturing, and customization services for 3D printing, injection molding, blown molding, stamping molds, and gauges. Its strict tolerance control and automated production line can achieve rapid production of plastics, sheets, and parts. Since 2013, Booling has provided professional mold services to well-known automotive brands such as Volkswagen, Volvo, Tesla, Mercedes-Benz, BYD, etc., and has received unanimous praise. In addition, Booling is also an excellent supplier in the medical, household appliances, packaging, logistics, and other industries, capable of selecting and providing suitable manufacturing solutions for various components, striving to achieve the goal of complete product categories and obvious scale advantages, and continuously and rapidly rising in the industry. In the future, the goal of Booling Mold is to become a leading technology revitalization enterprise in the industry, achieving a win-win situation for both customers and the company.